And there goes a raccoon. Spotting a raccoon in a dumpster while filming Lennox air conditioners. Anyway, I am at a commercial property, and I came across these old units right here. Old Lennoxes right here. And these two appear to be L series, and this one appears to be an Elite series. And this is from 1999. It's a 4-ton. This is newer than I thought it was. Yeah. This one's from 1990. Oh no, this one's from 1999. I read the... I thought the model number was the serial number, so I got that mixed up. This is a 90,000 BTU though. And don't know what kind of compressor that is. I think it's a reciprocating, but don't know. I believe these are straight cool units. This one I can't tell because the compressor's locked up. But it says condensing unit on the data sheet, so I'm sure this one's a straight cool as well. And a couple more Lennox Elite series air conditioners over here, and there's also an older Trane Odyssey right there. And there's an Amana right over there. $19.99, 3.5 ton. It says condensing unit care information. So I'm pretty sure these are straight cool units. Big Climate-Tough reciprocating compressor down there. Gentech fan motor. And this one's actually running. Or not. It's that refrigerator component up there that's running. Never mind. Thought it was running. This is an Amana with a scroll compressor. It's from 2011. It is a 5-ton. There is the filter dryer. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.